Go on, you're waiting to do it. You're waiting to do it. Sappppaning. That's what's coming next. We'll have the Tonight Matthew moment first, and then you can go push.
Sappppaning.
I tell you what's happening.
Beard is back is what's happening.
I'm back also. I'm back in God's country, God's land, whatever you want to call it. I'm back home, innit?
Bridgend. So where have you been?
Been holidays, innit?
What you saying? Where have you been on holidays?
I went 5,000 miles away. I went to Las Vegas, stayed in Las Vegas, but went to LA, went to Long Beach, Venice, Santa Monica, Grand Canyon, Goldfields, everywhere. Done 3 states, literally LA, Nevada and Arizona, which is pretty damn cool. So I've made it my little mission now. I want to do all states of America over the next couple of years, just to say I've done it.
So the equivalent of that around here would be doing Bridgend, Rhondda and Taff and Newport?
Something like that.
Wow, that would be a hell of an outing, yeah.
You could at least said Merthyr or something, innit? But, you know.
I know, I went with Newport. I thought it'd be more foreign.
Very true, but the drive from LA, Las Vegas to LA was about 4 hours going out in the morning. I tell you, these carpool lanes are amazing. Literally, if you got more than 2 people in the car, you can ride the carpool. So this side is gridlocked for like miles and miles and miles, and you're just cruising through, no problem at all.
You didn't have more than 2 people in the car though?
Yeah, 2 or more people, me and Johnny, innit?
You said more than 2 people a minute
2
ago.
or more people, innit?
Big maths, innit? You can't
Big
be doing
maths.
it.
So I was alright, we got that done, enjoyed it. Long drive back, found a bit of traffic through LA, innit? Went to Compton, South Central, always wanted to see it. So
you always wanted to get shot as well, did that happen?
It didn't happen, although there were plenty of gangs around, I'll be honest, you're not being discriminated in it. Some parts of LA was like, whoa, just like homeless everywhere, people literally rolling the dice on the floor like you see in the movies, which is damn cool, cooking barbecue food on the streets, like homeless everywhere, gangs everywhere. We had the roof down on this Mustang, blasting all our classic hip-hop in it, spot the white man, non-racial or anything, but that's what it was like, and yeah, well, we survived to tell the tale.
Maybe next time, innit?
Maybe next time. I'm still waiting for my through and through.
That's what she said.